Slapped.
Answer time. So about 400 years ago, we asked the question, if you could create some fake CCTV footage, what would happen? Here are your best responses. To kick things off, James Lloyd says, a man eating a bagel on a car on fire while naked. Metric Mudkip. My CCTV footage would be Jesus and Miley Cyrus riding a hamburger and twerking with unicorns that shoot lasers in space.
How about that?
Josh Kirby wants to see 4 guys fighting in a kid's playground dressed as Teletubbies. Then he felt it was appropriate to add, with a bowl of custard and a vacuum cleaner between them.
These nuts.
Sakura Kitsuna Star wants to see Slender Man sneaking into the Lost and Found and trying on women's clothing. Johnny JR hopes one day a security camera will capture a gang of clowns fighting in a dark alleyway in the middle of the night with balloons, swords and kittens. Letty White Rock, someone's slapping ham. Angie is recording wants to see Obama and Joe Biden holding each other intimately with In the Arms of an Angel playing in the background. Nelly Sanchez got creative with this one. My CCTV footage would be of nothing, just a black screen. Elliot Burrell, a CCTV footage of a shop selling slapped ham soft toys. Damn, son. Wait, what? And the number 1 comment for this Q&A is from Valentin Nagy. He wants to see an old man butt naked sliding down an escalator in a tub while being chased by security guards. Don't we all want to see that? Old man in a bathtub coming through. Well, there's another Q&A in the can. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoy the content, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us out. Why not follow us on Facebook and Twitter, where the Q&As never stop. And this is the SlappedHam signing off.